going to the beach, my family isn't like really a giant ordeal for anyone in Seattle because it's like there's so many lakes and there's like 2 beaches or something. But it is for us kind of because we're walking. But it's like 2 miles from our apartment, so it's not gonna be that bad. My sister just put a radio playing Katy Perry on the balcony. I don't know why. Mari, what is the meaning of this? What are you doing? Katy. My crazy sister. Pray. It's like she's awesome, huh? You look crazy. You look crazy, Mari. Excuse me. We need to get in the house. What kind of dancing is that?
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. Hello, Kessie. Oh my gosh, are you excited about the beach? So you're not coming? You're not coming?
You need to look better because people, you're not marketable looking fast.
You're not coming?
You need to smile.
Why? I feel like it. Move. Oh my God, Mom, are you excited for the beach? Are you excited that it's sunny?
Yeah.
Got our new TV. It's a new old
Get a
TV.
call to see if you can wipe this junk off the carpet. I don't know who walked through here with some food. And
Yeah,
food.
great. Those teddy bears used to live in my room, but they creeped me out and I had nightmares about them, and so now they live in my parents' room. My family is still not ready to go to the beach.
Don't take too long. I'm leaving.
That's my
15
brother.
minutes, I'm leaving. Y'all ready or not?
Okay, we're still not gone, so. Oh my God, we're still at the house, and it's like 45 minutes since I started making this video. Why are we still here? Daddy?
I'm leaving.
Oh my goodness. Why are we still here?
No, I'm getting ready to go whether anybody's with me or not. I'm going on back.
This is my family. They all walk around saying they're gonna leave each other. When really, I'm the one at the door. I'm gonna miss you. If I stood here for 10 minutes, I still wouldn't be ready.
Get out the computer, call me, and let's go to the beach.
So our neighbor's here. He brought pizza. Like an awesome neighbor. Oh wait, are you coming to the beach too?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Dang, we're walking. Are you prepared for that?
He's taking advice.
Oh. We're finally leaving for the beach.
Mom! What do you need?
Check this out. Everyone's actually finally in the doorway. We're finally going outside. Wait, where's everyone? Where's everyone else? They're at Fred Meyer. So, we're walking to Fred Meyer to meet my family on our way to the beach. Walking with my dad. Yeah, where are you going?
Shawnee, can Maury switch classes with you? We want to look like twins.
Hold on.
No, we are. Help me, help me. Get this stupid kid off of my back before I break it. Hey, the horse said get off.
So we're all gonna get drinks for our long walk to the beach.
Wait a minute.
They go like that.
You can get any type of soda for 80 cents.
You off? Yeah. Coming with you. See that? Apparently we're getting chips now. So we're getting tea. I'm getting raspberry tea. It's really good. You guys have this where you are? I don't know where you guys are.
Shani, I doubt anyone has. Okay.
Walk into the beach. It's gonna be a really long walk. But we've got tea and popsicles. So.
Wait! I'm gonna cry! And I don't know why!
I'm putting lipstick on. But I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much.
You know what mommy hates? She
gotta
hates it
decide
when
how to get around here.
So we made it to the cliff that leads down to the beach. Wait till you see this. So these are the stairs that lead down to the beach. Really steep.
And I'm not.
That's the cliff we just walked down.
No, it was fun.
Okay, now we're halfway down and we're gonna go down another mini cliff. And then we're gonna be at the beach. So down there is the beach. We're almost there.
Shawnee, he jumped off the skateboard.
Okay, our neighbor, Cornelius. I'm not gonna say he almost died, but he almost died. His bike he was standing on the edge of the cliff and his bike nearly went off, and he nearly went off because of course he was on the side of the bike that wasn't near the cliff. So they both almost went off. There's a train track that goes right by the beach too.
Princess is here! Ciara, this beat is automatic, supersonic, hit mighty.
So we're about to go through a tunnel that
Nobody cares.
No, it's like Narnia.
we walk through the beach. Kessie and Mari. Yay, we made it to the beach. After all that.
What the heck?
We should cross. There's a playground here too. And an ice cream stand. So my sister decided she wanted to play volleyball, but we didn't have one. So she asked some people if she could use theirs, and they said yes.
We go to one party together and then
Our neighbor, Cornelius, he disappeared, so my parents and my sisters went to look for him. So when they find him, I guess we're going home. So now we have to walk back up the giant cliff we walked down to get here.
Were you even filming when you're all the way up?
Not really looking forward to that.
There's a thing on your nose.
I'll just
Sounds like ooh, too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers.
everyone else. As you can see, our neighbor was found rolling around in the sand, his helmet floating in the ocean. And I was at the beach. Some guys were like, one guy said, "My sweatshirt completes his life." Adventure Time fans are awesome. Adventure Time's awesome. If you don't watch that show, you're not living. There's birds singing and everything. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's a little stream of water. You excited to walk up the cliff? Oh God. So, I've got to walk up these. Gotta walk up these, and then I'll show you what I've got to do after that. Go. So we're at the last front part.
It's beautiful. Did you film the sunset? Okay, we might have to race up these stairs.
If you're watching this, we survived the 2-mile trek down to this beach, and then the like half-mile or mile hike down to the ocean. We survived, and we made it back up. Now, half my family's gonna walk. I'm not walking home. I'm taking the bus. So, we're back from the beach. We're finally home. I'm eating some bread. Yeah. That was a really long day. Yeah. I'm gonna take a shower, a warm shower, and then, actually, tonight, my family is having a Lord of the Rings marathon this weekend. Lord of the Rings is my favorite movie of all time. I have like 10 second favorites, like The Notebook, Titanic, The Little Mermaid, but Lord of the Rings is my #1, and we're having a marathon this weekend. We watched the first one yesterday, and we're watching the second one today, so excited for that. So I'm gonna go shower, and then we're probably gonna watch Lord of the Rings. So thanks for watching this video. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.
Alone with nothing to do, and I couldn't sleep, 'cause all those cold days returned with their old ways of causing new apathy.
And just remember, just remember, Adventure Time is better.